Hi, it's Cayman with S&B. Today I'm showing you our wheel well tank, part number 10-3003. This is a 22-gallon tank. Today we're showing you installed on a 148 Transit. Also fits your Sprinters as well. Just showing you kind of what it looks like installed and what it comes with. We'll show you the dimensions of the tank. I guess the first most important dimension on this tank would be how close it is to the rear of the van, this rear panel, and it is 4 inches. So coming off here with a filler, you'd have to do something like with a 90, then a 90 for your vent, and put your fill spout right here. So it is getting close to that rear panel. I'm not sure if there are shorter fittings where you could get something that short and make a 90 off of there. But the height of the tank is 16 inches. The width of the tank is 12.5. And the length of the tank is 44.25. I'm going to show you kind of what this tank looks like. It ends at the front of the wheel well. So the meat of the tank is back here. When it's pushed all the way forward, right where the wheel well stops, the tank stops. Comes with new straps. You'll see both of these straps kind of end up in no man's land. But a pre-punch stick like this is just 3/8 inch pre-punch stick from Home Depot. This helps you bridge the gap if you want to keep the straps here. There is nothing keeping you from moving the straps down the tank as well, and this to just act as a reinforcement to the tank to help with expansion. It could get moved there. Then for this, if you wanted to keep the strap there, you could bridge the gap here, or you can move it down the tank here and drill a hole there. All of our tanks come with a plus nut kit. So this plus nut kit, it includes a longer bolt for your plus nut activation, but essentially you'll just drill into the floor, drill into the side of the van. You'll put your plus nut in the hole. You'll put your plus nut tool over that. You'll put your long bolt in. You'll hold this with an open end wrench, tighten up the bolt. It'll activate your plus nut until it's all the way spread out. Back out the bolt, remove your plus nut tool, then screw in your M10 included bolt into your strap holes. And this tank has, the fittings it comes with are 1/2 inch on the bottom, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, then 1.5 also on the top. This is a 15-inch KUS SU15. So this level sender just screws right into your 1.5 fitting on the top. You'll see what it looks like when it's screwed in. You have about 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch off the bottom of the tank, so it's perfect where you're measuring all the way from full to empty. Then also on the front, we have a 1/2 inch fitting right up here on this front corner. So if you have your pump mounted right here, you don't need to run a hose all the way from the front to from the rear to the front. You can just have it going right here. Let us know if you have any questions with the fitment, with the install. We have a whole bunch of other water tanks, under mount, spare tire tanks. So if there's anything else we can do for your build, we'd love to be a part of it. Thank you.